Imagine a startup racing to launch a shiny new mobile app. Deadlines are ticking like a bomb, caffeine is the fuel, panic is the engine, and somewhere along the way, the team sneaks in a few shortcuts, dishing core steps for speed. Guess what happens? Fast forward a year, and the code is full of bugs and security vulnerabilities. Fixing it? Well, you'd rather walk over Legos barefoot. This is what happens when technical debt starts to accumulate. Technical debt, or your Scrum run's worst enemy, is basically the karma of all your shortcuts. It makes future development slower and more expensive due to using quick, suboptimal code solutions in the past, and it creeps up years later when you least expect it. It sneaks in even in Agile Scrum. Tight deadlines push you to rush things, incremental changes are fast, but the bigger picture sometimes blurs. Deferred refactoring? We've all done it. And with evolving tech and market demands, it's easy to let your neat code slowly turn into a cobbled mess. But it's not all downhill from here. With the right approach, you can manage it, tame it, even turn it into a tool for building better software. While many software project management apps work for this, I'd personally recommend using ClickUp. It's the one place where your code, documentation, sprints, and tasks live together in a system that just works. With ClickUp, each step of your dev and QA process becomes trackable, organized, and a lot less stressful. Let's show you how to manage technical debt in 5 steps, simplified with ClickUp. We start with this classic assessment step, code reviews. Create dedicated ClickUp tasks for code reviews and assign them to senior colleagues and technical managers to spot inefficiencies. Use tools like ClickUp's custom statuses to track whether the review is pending, in progress, blocked, or completed. And here's the fun part. With AI cards, you can even summarize code review comments or highlight reoccurring issues. Instant clarity, no more guessing. At this point, we'll agree that manual checks are a pain and prone to mistakes. With ClickUp, you can set up AI agents that autonomously run routine quality checks, spot bugs, flag security issues, or even suggest best practice fixes. Transparency makes a big difference, since you can't really fix what you can't see. With ClickUp, you can clearly mark technical debt items in your project management board, then use ClickUp Brain, ClickUp's context-aware AI assistant, to summarize outstanding debt across sprints, show risks, and even suggest which debt to tackle first based on priority. Now it's time to collaborate with product owners. They're the perfect bridge between business needs and tech agility. Enable them to understand the scope and implications of technical debt, communicate with business stakeholders, secure necessary buy-ins and budgets, and build systems to eliminate future tech debt. ClickUp lets you track debt items, assign responsibilities, and log solutions using the free technical debt register template. Together, devs and POs can use it to systematically chip away at debt instead of letting it pile up. Finally, you need to set up foolproof processes to pay off the debt. Establish 3 pillars. First, capture detailed descriptions of technical debt, including its origin, impact, and potential solutions in each ClickUp task. Second, during sprint meetings, plan for treating and resolving technical debt in addition to new features or bug fixes. And third, schedule regular refactoring to consolidate and streamline the code base. And that's your recipe for managing technical debt. And yes, it's a totally doable one. Because you've got ClickUp to handle the heavy lifting for you, with consistent code reviews via ClickUp Tasks, automated checks via agents, and clear visibility through dashboards, you can keep debt under control instead of letting it run wild. So start today and start for free. Sign up for ClickUp at clickup.com.